Any strong shower or storm could produce very heavy rainfall conducive to localized water problems. Not expecting storms.
Holy. That is heavy rain. Oh, it's happening! It's happening!
Here is flash flood bulletin for the following county: Washington, Ohio, and the following counties in West Virginia: Pleasants, Ritchie, Wirt, and Wood.
Hey, Mom!
The National Weather Service in Charleston has in West Virginia, Wood County in northwestern West Virginia until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
That's not good.
At 4:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Pop! I got a flash flood warning.
As well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Parkersburg, Marietta, Belpre, St. Mary's, Elizabeth.
Yep, that's our area. Oh, boy. Look at that.
Easy.
Hey, Nona,
Yes, dear.
we got a flash flood warning for our area.
Okay.
Hail any minute now.
Showers. Lows in the upper 60s. Light and variable winds. Chance of rain 90%. Friday, showers likely with a slight chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 80s. Light and variable winds. Chance of rain 70%. Friday night, a slight chance of thunderstorms until midnight. Mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. Lows in the mid-60s. Light
Look at this. You can't tell if it's raining or not, as you can tell by the camera. But look over there. You can see the water coming out from the neighbor's house. Like I said again, or something like that. It's Hurricane Irma, but in West Virginia. Hail should be here by any moment. As you can see by the radar, there's hail. So basically it is raining, so it's pretty close. Look at that. That's how flash flood